Alright, had lots of questions about laser, how it works. So this is the machine. It is very loud because we have one exhaust fan running here. We have another pump that blows air here. Basically what that does is keep stuff, especially like wood, from catching fire, which is good. Don't want fire, we just want laser. So the whole thing works by concentrating CO2 into a plasma inside this tube. The whole tube is rather large. It's a inner glass tube surrounded by an outer tube. That whole thing, this whole tube, has liquid running it through it from these hoses. Goes into this bucket here and gets recirculated through the system. So this is all basically CNC controlled. You'll see there's two rails here. And then there is a stepper motor that drives this carriage back and forth. And we have the same for the other side. When we go into software, we're not going to do anything as exciting as the rock that you all saw earlier, or that's posted on my page. But we are going to import a quick project, and then we are going to test our material and make sure it's the right size. So 1 second, we'll be right back. Alright, so back to our software here. The box up above is what we've measured. That is going to be the size of our material. So we're moving over here, and we can tell the software, don't cut this piece. That's just for us to see, to verify by. So we're going to grab this, and we'll move it up. We grab the whole thing up into our material area, which is going to be right there. It looks like we're going to be just a little too big for this piece of material, but it should be enough. So then we come down here, verify that our material's right on the edge. Then we tell the software to frame where we're going to cut. See, that's going to be just a little too large. And that's okay. So what we'll do is actually grab a different piece of material, which is ever so slightly larger. No, we have plenty of this. So this is essentially the same program. Then we're going to do the same frame. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and move that up so we're not wasting a bunch of material here. make sure that we're good. Cool. And then one moment. Okay, jumping up to the top of the machine, we're ready to go. So I'm going to put this down. This is a laser safe, filters out all the light in the wavelength of this laser. I'm going to go ahead and hit start on the software. And you see it starting to burn. Let me try and get a better angle here. Okay, so what this is cutting out here, I don't know if you can see those, probably can. These are feeler gauges to determine the width of your laser beam, i.e. the kerf of the blade, as they're known in woodworking. Be right back once this is done. Alright, we're back. Most of the smoke is cleared out. And this is our finished project. So as we lift this up, you can see that each one of those has been cut right out of that material. There's our finished blocks. So you can take, alright, so what this allows then is the, say the 0.10. We're going to match those sides up here. And that's our finger box joint, but you can see it's kind of a little loose. So then we'll go up 2, try the 0.12. That fits very nicely and creates a nice finger joint for some boxes. So that's how we determine our laser kerf, so that we can cut things that are actually useful. Thanks for watching.